Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use remote.co to find legitimate remote jobs even if you have a little to no prior experience. Many people want to work from home but don't know where to start or which platforms to trust. Remote.co is one of the most reliable job boards that focuses exclusively on remote friendly companies. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to navigate remote.co, how to search for any entry level and beginner friendly remote roles, and how to identify jobs that don't require years of experience. You will also learn how to read job descriptions correctly, tailor your application, and avoid common mistakes that stop beginners from getting hired. So right now we are at the website of the remote work jobs, which the URL of this website is remote.co. I have also provided the link of this website into the description of this video. Okay, so when you click on the link, you will read to this kind of website, and here you can see that if you don't have an account, you can create your account with the help of this register button. And after that, I will show you how you can look for your remote job, your dream jobs with no experience, that you can do work from home as well. So we will just click on this remote job. Okay, so here you will see that two options, like you can search any remote job with any job title. You need to just search the keyword of your job, and you can also search it by location. And there are some other options as well, like you will click on this show filters, and it will show you the filter, like you want to do remote job, 100% remote job, or hybrid remote work, no remote work, or options for remote job. And you can also select the job type you want to apply with for as an employer. You want to join as a freelancer, or you just want to join as a temporary, and you can also schedule the job. And you can also select the career level, like if you are an entry level or experienced or a beginner, you can select any of these options. Let's suppose we are going with the beginner level, so we'll select this. And in the schedule tab, you can say flexible schedule. Okay, or you can also select any of the full-time or part-time. So let's see, and after that you can select as a freelance, and here you can select as a 100% remote work. Okay, and after that you will see that there are lots of jobs that has been displaying here. Wait for a second. So as you can see that we have applied multiple filters, like entry level filter, flexible schedule, freelance, 100% remote, and it has shown us like 1 to 50 of 94, 100% remote work, freelance, flexible schedules, entry level. As you can see that it's displaying customer support consultant, native Korean chat support consultant for crypto, freelance, independent interpreters. So there are lots of jobs that you can apply as a remote work. Okay, but if you want to do search for any particular job title, you can search for, like, I'm going for graphics designer. Okay, now let's see if there are any jobs with this title, and click search button. So as you can see that there are total 10 jobs right now with this tag, and you can do it remotely as well. So Chinese and English customers support specialist, Chinese and English customers support specialist, and most of these jobs are like customer support. Okay, as you can see that this one is Gemini curriculum consultant, private practice therapist, and you can see all these jobs as well. So if when you want to apply to any job, you have to just click on this. It will provide you the job details, each and everything. As you can see that it has, we have to sign up onto this website before proceeding further in order to apply for the job. So you can just simply apply from this section, get started with. So that's all about remote.co, how you can find no work experience based remote job that are 100% job is with the schedule or flexible hours. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.